Hello, I am Mrs. O'Brien. Welcome to today's video on polygons. We're going to use this graphic organizer to describe a polygon with its definition, some characteristics, some examples, and some non-examples. Let's start with the definition of a polygon. It is a simple, closed, plane figure made up of 3 or more line segments. Some characteristics of a polygon are that it is closed, simple, plain, two-dimensional figure, like this rectangle we see here. Some examples of polygons are rectangles are polygons, triangles are polygons, pentagons are polygons, trapezoids are a type of polygon, hexagons, and there are many more polygons. Here are some examples of polygons in the real world. These traffic signs would all be examples. The white outline here of the stop sign, the dead end sign, and all of these rectangles are different polygons. Some non-examples are like a circle. A circle is not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments. A cone is not a polygon because it is a three-dimensional figure and not a two-dimensional figure. A ray is just an endpoint with a part of a line. That is not a polygon. It is not a simple closed figure. And a cube is not a polygon because it is not a two-dimensional figure. Thanks for watching today's video on polygons.